Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Gani Goes to Africa. I love Mother Nature. This morning she took me on a trip in a time machine. She took me back 40 years of my life. Back then my children were very young and we had just moved into a new home. But we didn't know that for the next 16 years of our lives, we would be watching sparrows build their nest. I remember my children and I, we would kneel down on the sofa and lean against the back of it and watch out of the living room window the sparrows building their nest. And they would build it until they got it just the way they wanted it. And we would watch the mother bird sit there day in and day out on that nest, protecting her eggs and her little ones, waiting and anticipating the day they will be born. One day I opened up the drapes and I looked out. The children had grown up this year that this happened. And the birds, they had hatched. And they were chirping, chirp, 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 chirp. Their mouths wide open, and they was like, "Mommy, mommy, mommy, feed me, I'm hungry. And she would come and she would feed them one by one. And she would feed them until they were nice and full. And they were no longer chirping and complaining and, I'm hungry, feed me. And I would watch her sit there until they were strong and they can stand on their own. And they would inch their way to the edge of the nest. And I remember her flying away from the nest, and she would be close by and she would just chirp, 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 like she's saying, come on, you can do it, come on, you're strong, you can do it. And they would be like, I'm scared, I'm scared. And she would continue to encourage them, come on, one by one, come on, you can do it, you can fly now, come on. Then finally one day, the nest was empty until the next year. It all would begin again. But this time I get to see it in Africa. That's where I live now. I am so excited. I can't wait to get up in the mornings to look out the window and see her sitting on her nest. It's so exciting. I get to see it again. For 4, maybe less, maybe more days, I watched her on her nest, just waiting for those eggs to hatch. One morning I got up and she wasn't there. And I said, where is she? So I said, oh, she'll be back. So I waited and I waited, and she didn't come back. What happened to her? A few days ago it rained. It was a bad, heavy rain. And I wondered, did she get caught up in the rain, in the storm? Or was she on her nest and the storm was too much for her? Maybe she was too exposed to the elements and she couldn't sit on the nest any longer. I don't know what happened to her. I think I'll never know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button.